Being a DIY company means that you're empowered to take control of your own security system. So if you have a specific need or something that's going on in your location, you just simply give us a call and we're going to guide you step by step. It's important to have security in your home for many reasons. Number one, peace of mind whenever you're away. Number two, the safety of your family and your pets. And number three, full control of door locks and automation.
Avoid paying unnecessary costs for a technician and stay flexible with your schedule by doing a DIY security system with Protect America.